Hey guys, what's up? This is me Kid here and I'm back with another tutorial videos today. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find your draft post on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you have to open Facebook app on your device. After that, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account and you have proper internet connection. And then what you have to do is, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook profile and I'm going ahead on what's on your mind option at the top of the screen. Just below that Facebook logo, tap on there and type whatever you want to post it to your account. But what if I don't want to post it right now and I want to save it as a draft? So what you have to do is, on your top left hand corner of your screen, you will see an arrowhead that says back. Click on there and you will pop and you will be asked if you want to finish your post for later. So you can just tap on save as draft option. Now your post is saved as draft. Now again, if next time you want to open the same post, you will receive a notification on your screen. Just wait for that notification. Here in this, you will receive a notification that says you have a draft saved. Tap on there and your draft will be shown here. So again, tap on there and you are back again and you're back to the same post again. So if you just want to post it, you can just simply post. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the bell icon, and be updated with more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end.